Chuta everybody, today I'm going to cook very simple khar and the ingredients required are mushroom, eggplant, chili, fermented dry fish, garlic. So we have soaked the mushroom in water. So you can see the size have, become quite large. These were sun-dried mushrooms. They have been soaking in water for quite some time. So now we need to heat this. So whenever we cook our traditional khar, we use this kind of bartan. So first of all, we'll add water. And now we will prep our eggplants. So these are local ones. So you see there are a lot of thorns in it. They prick. So whenever we try to cook pantau khar, we call this pantau. We use the local ones, the small ones. So the small ones are preferred and desired because the bigger ones that we get, those are not flavorful enough. That's what I've been told, and that's what I agree to. I've been wanting to eat this pantau and mushroom khar for quite some time, and we have been fortunate enough to acquire these mushrooms from Khartoum. They are so flavorful. The Khartoum mushroom, they taste like great replacement for meat. I think if you can deep fry them, they can totally be mistaken as chicken meat, It is that juicy. Now it's time to just slice the chili in the middle. That's it. So now we are going to add all the ingredients. Chili goes in first, fermented dry fish, eggplants, and now it's time to add the mushrooms. Make sure you always wash them. So now we are just going to let it cook for another 15-20 minutes, and in the end we're just going to add some garlic. And this is a very simple khar. In most of the tribal households in Northeast India, we do prepare this kind of khar almost on an everyday basis. Chalo, now it's just time to wait, and we'll let the magic do its own thing. So let's see how it's looking. Okay, another 5-10 minutes. That's it. Wow. And now look at these bones from the fermented dry fish. If you want, you can discard it. Another 5-10 minutes and it will be done. But before that, let us grind this garlic and add it. Add the garlic. Everyone should taste this Khartong's mushroom like once in a lifetime. Another 5-10 minutes and it will be done. Wow, it's cooked, ready to eat. So we can put it off और इसको हम यहाँ रख देंगे. So we call this process dihonba. So what do you call it in your dialect? Oops. Whenever we catch something very hot with our hands, we were advised to rub it in the ear. I don't know why. So I still do it. I don't know if you guys do it. Come look. How does it look? So our pantau and mushroom khar, naflam khar is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.